a run out. Stand by. I've been hit. Dispatch, I've been hit.
That gas station's going up. We got a major fire on that.
We lost the PC. We lost the PC. We lost the PC. This guy's gonna need help. All right. I'm gonna nail this guy. Okay, everyone back now.
Bailing on the chase. The fuel lights are flashing.
Dispatch, major collision. Driver's gone in. Head on into the block. Okay, we just spotted him. Moving in. PC is down. 1025. He's spinning into the block. 455 Palm. I'm on a 1023 now. Yep, right behind you. No good. Spike didn't work. Okay, target is causing too much damage. Let's pull back and regroup here. Down to his rims, closing them. Please be advised, 1067 on the left side of the road. Good range, good through. Target vehicle, it's following the block. VTB on suspect. Yeah, I got a visual. I'm back on him. FBA, yeah, he just hit me. Dispatch, I need more cover on. I lost the unit code 3.
Driver, stop your car. Pull over now.
51 gold. On your 6, what do you need? Collision. I got damage here. Dispatch, I just been T-bumped. Suspect still mobile and running. Maintain 1087. Suspect just flew by my 20. I'm on him. Dispatch, I need more cover. I lost the unit. We're coming in. Don't let him through. Clear all units for this call. I'm gonna need some help with this one. Yeah, you got through. He's still mobile. Suspect just flew by my 20. He smashed through the block. Let's alert the city here. He's going through this electrical plant here. Yeah, this guy does not want to stop. Heads up. He's doing a breakdown. We got burning gas. We need hazmat now. Suspect just flew by my 20. I'm on him. All right, just hold him there. Hold him there. I'm coming around. Suspect just got into an MBA. Minor traffic. We got a traffic collision. I'm gonna need more units out here. All available units to my location now. We got burning gas. We need hazmat now. Just lost the unit. Might have guys backed up here. Oh God, be advised. I've lost code 6 now. Need units for canvassing off my 20.
Units be advised. Vehicle has gone missing. Last seen, head southeast on Orange.
Cancel that. Cancel. We got him.
I need more units out here. All available units to my location now.
His rubber's gone. Yeah, he's running on wrist. We're going in.
1045, 1045. Fall back when they move in. Gate's locking, I can't get in. Down now. 1042, block him, I got his other side.
Situation, guys. We need more updates on the chase.
Hold on, dispatch. Got my hands full, just keeping up with them.
There's John 5-9, we're 1023, initiating search.
He's heading down the pier, Get ready to jump in, I'm gonna spin him out. Can somebody bump this guy out of my way?
We're gonna have to switch over to reserve fuel tanks. We only got a couple of miles where we're gonna have to bail on this pursuit.
I'm gonna take this guy out now. Break, back up. No, he's not gonna let me through. I can't get in there. Clear all units for this call. We need help with this one. got off-road into the reservoir. This guy just ran my cruiser. I'm trying to stay with him. Got a visual, go free. We're at the stadium. Pete, we're at the stadium. We're headed northbound on the river freeway. Heading north. This guy's heading north. This guy just pulled a 180. Losing this guy. I can't keep up. I think I want to go with a pit. I'm going to try to disable his vehicle. Yeah, he's headed back into the stadium. Can we trap him in there? Yeah, I got a visual. I got him. We're currently heading east over Diamond Bridge. Okay, get out of my way. I'm gonna spin him. I can't get around him. Stand by, we might have to change this up.